book is about the devil, and the devil is a man of wealth, money, and taste, buen gusto. Yeah? Can you imagine a devil as a gentleman, speaks very well, educated, but he goes through history creating chaos, disaster, and death. Yeah? And if you look at, this is some of the song, you'll see some of the episodes. There's Jesus Christ with Pilate washing the hands. There's the Kennedys. There's the Russian Revolution. The devil is helping things along here, yeah? But if you meet him, remember, education, courtesy. Because if not, and the end of the song is saying, if you meet me, be polite, be educated, yeah? If not, watch out. Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. Been around for a long, long year. Studying a man's soul and his faith. I was there when Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. Made damn sure that Pilate washed his hands and sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you. Hope you got my name. What's so puzzling you? It's the nature of my game. Stuck around in St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change. I killed the Tsar and his ministers. Anastasia screamed in vain. I rode a tank, held a general's rank, while the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. I shouted out, who killed the Kennedys? And after all, it's you and me. Here we go. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. What's so puzzling you? It's the nature of my game. So if you meet me, show some courtesy, show some sympathy and some taste. Use all your well-learned politesse, or lay your soda waste. Pleased to meet you. Hope you got my name. What's so puzzling you? It's the nature of my game. Let's hear you. What do you come on? Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. What's so puzzling you? It's the nature of my game. Thank you very much.